Today, I am going to show you how to create a jigsaw puzzle in Canva, completely for free. People are selling these puzzles on Etsy as digital products and making real money from it. So today, I'll show you exactly how to create one yourself. Let's get started. All right, open Canva and select the size you want to work with. I'll choose a custom size, 1080 by 1080. Now the first step is to install a free app that will create our puzzle. Go to Apps and search for Jigsaw Puzzle. This is the app. Click on it to install. Next, we need to add the image we want to turn into a puzzle. I'll use an image from Elements. Let's search for a dog image as an example. Go to Photos and find a good one. I'll use this image. Now right-click on it and set it as background. Adjust the image position. Then click on Share and download this image. Now go back to the app. Enable this toggle and upload your downloaded image here. Now you can customize the puzzle using these settings. In advanced settings, you can make the puzzle lines thick or thin by adjusting the line width. You can also change the line color. For example, I'll change it to white. And lastly, here you can set how many pieces you want, horizontally and vertically. I'll set it to 8 by 8, and the puzzle pieces will update automatically. Once you're happy with the customization, click this button to add it to your design. Now delete the original image and place the puzzle on your page. And just like that, our jigsaw puzzle is ready. This is a great digital product idea that you can sell on Etsy. Now, if you want to learn more digital products that you can create in Canva, watch these videos next.